Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale for beginners. First, understand that your main objective is to destroy your opponent's 2 princess towers and 1 king tower within a 3-minute match. You use a custom deck of 8 unique cards, deploying them onto the arena with Elixir, a resource that regenerates over time. Learn the basics of your first few troops, like the knight and archers, to confidently begin your journey. Crafting your deck is crucial, as it defines your battle style. A good beginner deck balances offensive troops, defensive units, and at least 1 spell card, like arrows. Always consider your deck's average elixir cost, ideally keeping it between 3 and 4 elixir to ensure a smooth flow of cards. This balance helps you react to diverse threats and launch effective pushes. During a match, your elixir management is paramount. Aim to spend your elixir efficiently, never letting it sit at 10 for too long. Deploy your troops behind your princess towers or king tower to build up a push slowly and conserve elixir. Always prioritize defending your towers first, then utilize any surviving units from your defense to launch a powerful counterattack into your opponent's lane. As you play, pay close attention to your opponent's card cycle and their elixir investment. This helps you anticipate their next moves and prepare a suitable counter. For example, use a fireball to eliminate 3 musketeers or a skeleton army efficiently. Practice precise troop placement to pull powerful enemy units, like the P.E.K.K.A., towards the middle of your arena, activating both princess towers for more damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.